We are creating a flag. Okay, flag. So the flag to create is easy. We know, I told you how can we connect to sim using the sim node or preserve or whatever. But how can we do some effects like air or something, like there is a wind? Okay, so how can we do that? So to create a flag, we're going to create like this flag. Of course, we need to add divisions, you know about it, 60 and 60, 50. I'll do it 50, 50. Okay. Then I'm adding a material for time being, sign. We're adding a material like this now. Then it's a cutter flag we have added now. You see the border have some problems, so you can do UVW map. And Gizmo, you little bit you scale it, that's all. Create a cylinder. Okay. Now, how we do before the same process, okay? Let me convert this one to editable poly. Ignore all UVW and all gone now, okay? Now we start UVW. Now we do cloth modifier, cloth, object properties, plain, cloth, cotton or silk. Okay. Object properties, add object, the cylinder, add, and collision object. Okay. Then we have to go inside the cloth and select the group, the front view or left view, you know how we arrange it as per. Select these all, one row of vertex, one column vertex, make group, click sim node, then you see your mouse point will change it. Then click on this. Now it is connected. You can see sim node to cylinder. It is connected now. Now what's going to happen now? Just we will try a simulate local. We all know this animations, right? Of course, it's going to come perfectly. So coming now. Reset initial, reset it, erase all the simulation. Now here, there is cloth forces. Click on this cloth forces. Sorry. Before that, you need to create a force. You can go to this option, space swaps. From here, the geometry, you know, shapes and all we used to take. So go to space swaps. Here there is something called wind. Click on the wind. Which side, if you want, you show the direction almost now here. Okay, this is not renderable. Okay, this is just an element which you can connect. It's not renderable one. Now select this one, modify cloth forces. Now you can see the wind comes here, because if any force in scene, if it is available, it will be visible here. So the wind you need to move. You can see one side is forces in scene, forces in simulation. So in scene, whatever it is, you want to move this one to right side, then only it will be applicable for the object. So click this button, then it will move to right. Now this is applicable for simulation. Simulation, what simulation? Cloth simulation happen. Press OK. If you select this one, you can see the properties of wind now. How much strength you need, how much turbulence you need. Turbulence means, you know, the wrinkles, how much wrinkles you need on it, you know, more wrinkles will be there. you might have seen the flying time, by the flag flying time. You can see either it can be straight or you can make it more wrinkles, small wrinkles can be do. That wrinkles, how much detail if you want, you can adjust in the frequency, how much frequency you need. The scale value means that wrinkles will be bigger and smaller. So for time being, I don't do anything. We will do first the simulation and check. Simulate local. Now you see that there are some forces happens, but it of course it will be maybe very less. It's less. So you can select this strength I'm making to 3. And let me check. Erase simulation, reset, simulate local. Hope it's not enough. I think so, but still, I think it's not enough. So make this strength to 10. Reset it, erase simulation. It started now. Hope you can see. It's a little slow, but that's fine. It's working fine. Now, what else you can do here is see that the turbulence I do 1, frequency 3. Little bit more detail will be the. This is 15, and erase simulation. Reset it. Let me simulate. Why I do simulate? Because I want to see that the right speed, how it works. I think the strength is not that much we need. See the direction we move to up. That's why it's going that side. We can keep to straight, then it can come to this side. But it's recording all because we click simulate instead of simulate local. And the wrinkles are more now because we added more turbulence. I think in 100 frames almost done. Now you see the right speed, how it's working. You see the wrinkles, you can reduce it there. If you move this, it will come with this. Yeah. So for that, what you have to do, reset it, erase simulation. Just you need to animate auto key. And you want to, sorry. Don't do keyframe on the cloth now, delete it. For this, keyframe on 100 frame. Just move like this. Right, perfect. Now you have to erase simulation, switch off auto key, then you click simulate, you can see what happens there. The cloth will go with the stick, whatever it is holding. But if you play from here, it will not understand. You have to click simulate, then only you see that animations, okay? So you keep this one on a car or somewhere, okay? So the flag will be flying. We can animate it. So hope it's still moving. Yeah. When you want to check, while you're checking, you reduce the divisions, the divisions on the flag. So it will work fast, it won't be heavy, but the later you increase that divisions more to get more perfection. How much detail you do, that much perfection will be there. Now you see how it works. Because it's recorded already. Somebody's running with this. Okay. Yeah, but remember one point, don't connect this one, don't go inside it. Okay, just keep a small gap over there, no problem. Okay, or very close to this also fine. So with this, the new options what we studied, wind we added. This is a force. How we added from here? space wraps, we create the wind and it came over here. Similar like that, gravity and all will be working. But for this cloth, we need wind only. Then how we connect it? Select this one, select the cloth and the modifier cloth forces. Select this force from here to right side. This is the options what we have done something new. Okay.